Hello, today we want to discuss an important rules in mathematics. Why is it that anytime we raise a number to the power of 0, we always have 1, no matter how large or small the number is? For example, I know you will have come across something like this inside your textbook. 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 million raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay? Okay, let's look at a rational number. Irrational number. For example, pi. Pi raised to the power of 0 is 1. Whether negative 1 raised to the power of 0, we always have 1. Okay, 1 over 3 fraction. 1 over 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. But why is it that whenever we raise a number to the power of 0, we always have 1? That is what we want to discuss in today's class. Now, listen to me carefully and follow me. Recall that according to the quotient law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m all over a raised to the power of n, this will be equals to a raised to the power of m minus n, right? Yes. Okay. Now let us replace m as n. Are you getting it? Let us replace this m as n. For this, I'm going to have a raised to the power of n all over a raised to the power of n. This will be equals to a raised to the power of n minus n. And this will give me a raised to the power of 0. A raised to the power of 0 is what? Will give me 1. Okay. Anytime you have the same number at the numerator and at the denominator, you will always have 1. Is that not it? So imagine this: a raised to the power of n all over a raised to the power of n. This will be equals to what? 1. Is that not it? For example, 5 over 5, 1. 6 over 6, 1. Negative 1 all over negative 1, 1. Negative 2 all over negative 2, 1. Now, having proved to you that, having shown you the reason why if you raise any number to the power of 0, we always have 1. There is an exception. Do not go, okay? Pay attention. There is an exception. And the exception is that provided that the base here must not be 0. There is only one number. If you raise it to the power of 0, you will not have 1. And that number is 0 itself. Okay? 0 raised to the power of 0 is not equals to 1. And the simple reason is because, let us go back to this law. If you replace a as 0, pay attention. If you replace a as 0 here, we're going to have 0 raised to the power of m all over 0 raised to the power of n. Now, because this fraction itself will be 0, this fraction, the denominator of this fraction will be 0. And any fraction whose denominator is 0 is undefined. You understand? Is undefined. Any fraction whose denominator is 0 is undefined. And you can also call it meaningless. It is meaningless. Okay? So, because the denominator of this fraction will be 0, we are going to have the result will be undefined or meaningless. Do you understand? So that is why if you raise a number, if you raise any number except 0 to the power of 0, you're going to have 1. But 0 raised to the power of 0 will not give you 1. Do you understand? Okay, so before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and also drop your comment in the comment section. Okay.